Join me as I take on the challenge of cruising like a pro on my very first trip. Let's see if I can navigate this adventure without getting lost. Cruising is an exciting and popular vacation choice, offering a unique blend of relaxation, entertainment, and exploration. With the ability to visit multiple destinations without the hassle of constant packing and unpacking, it's no wonder that cruising has become a favorite among travelers. Cruising for the first time can be daunting, especially when it comes to choosing the right cruise line. With so many options available, it can be difficult to know which one is best for you. Researching and comparing different cruise lines is essential to finding the perfect fit. Factors such as itinerary, onboard amenities, and budget should all be considered when making your decision. Packing efficiently is another common challenge that first-time cruisers face. It's easy to overpack, but this can lead to clutter and stress during your trip. Considering the length of your cruise and the activities you plan to do is crucial in determining what to pack. First-time cruisers often struggle with navigating the ship and finding their way around. Taking some time to familiarize yourself with the ship's layout and amenities can make a big difference in your overall experience. From choosing the right cabin to taking advantage of onboard activities, there are many things to consider when planning your first cruise. When it comes to selecting the best cruise for your needs, there are several factors to consider. Thinking about the type of vacation you want, whether it's relaxing or action-packed, can help you choose the right itinerary. Considering the size of the ship and the number of passengers it can hold is also important, as this can impact the overall atmosphere and amenities. Packing smart is essential for a stress-free cruise. Planning your outfits and activities in advance can help you avoid overpacking and make the most of your time on board. Onboard activities are a crucial part of the cruise experience, and there are often many options to choose from. From fitness classes to entertainment shows, there's something for everyone. Researching and booking your shore excursions in advance can also help you make the most of your time in port. I'll never forget my first cruise where I stumbled upon a little-known onboard secret, a hidden sun deck that was perfect for relaxation. It was a game-changer for my trip, and I ended up spending most of my downtime there. This experience taught me the importance of exploring the ship and talking to other passengers and crew members. You never know what hidden gems you might discover. Another surprising tip that enhanced my cruise experience was taking advantage of the onboard spa services. It was the perfect way to unwind and recharge after a long day of exploring. Whether it's trying a new restaurant or taking a cooking class, there are many ways to make your cruise experience even more memorable. With the right preparation and mindset, you can cruise like a pro on your very first trip. By doing your research, packing smart, and taking advantage of onboard activities, you can set yourself up for a fun and relaxing vacation. If you've been on a cruise before, be sure to share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about them. And if you're new to cruising, don't forget to check out my other travel videos for more tips and inspiration.